She wanted me to splash in the nutter. Go back, you fucking idiots!
What was that?
Can you say red light?
47! Get out! Straight, there is where many pads steam car and way that but first we do the windows up. We check the doors very quick. Okay.
Can you go call him a knobhead? Oh wow.
Who?
Wow.
Why did she get over?
I don't know, but he's very, very intelligent. Very, 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 very smart. Maisie Mill, when you're driving, don't do that.
Why?
Because why? Because it's stupid.
What I'll do, I'll get the last couple of gas and electric bills and put them together. Because you was with me when I paid that $300, wasn't it?
What is she doing?
She's trying to turn.
Yeah, but
the
it's a
car
one-way
round
road.
to come this way.
It's a one-way road. She can't come down this way. And I'm not going backwards. I'm going to go backwards.
Are you sure it's a one-way?
Is she going to try and reverse that? Yeah, it's a one-way street. Just pull over to the side so I can get through. I don't know what she wants to do.
You're through the window, one-way street.
I'm not going to bother. I'll just let her do what she wants. She's not my problem anymore. Oh wow! He indicates, slows down, and then speeds up again. Asshole.
Where's the grape?
Wakey, wakey.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Red light.
No.
Yeah, look.
No.
Yeah, it was two red lights.
No. Maisie, we nearly had him. We nearly had food for tea, but I missed him.
What did you miss?
I missed the man trying to get killed. What? Can you just laugh at that parking?
I opened the door.
Because that's not right. That's not right. I'm going to park on the grass.
Again?
Again?
I'm going through that U-turn again. Daddy, can I open the door again?
No, no.
Windows open?
No, window's closed.
Daddy, get out already.
And now she's gone. Go, 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 go.
How come everybody's picking this today?
I have no idea.
That is a good girl, isn't it?
That was a good girl, was it?
Yeah.
I
She stopped for us to go.
She shouldn't have really pulled out.
No, she stopped for us.
Oh, yeah, good girl, clap, yeah? Can you say special? Maisie, just say special. It's parked the wrong way in the bus stop. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up!
My life be like, yeah.
I need to do something about that. I need something more manly than that. That is pathetic, man. Fucking idiot. Wow, fucking idiot.
Be up inside!
Oh my
Be
God.
up inside!
Do me a favour, turn it up.
Baby from the sun. Baby from the nothing I've been. Is that good, man?
Shut up, man. Hi, little thing. Oh my god. What the fuck? Is that a spider? I shall... It's hanging. Hang on, there it is. I shall call you Stephen. Ow.